Hello. Today I'll show you how to make creative portrait effect in Photoshop. Create new document 1080 by 1080 pixel. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Select white color. Hit OK. Right-click on layer, select rasterize layer. Delete layer mask. Open blending options by double-click on layer. Choose stroke. Set 20 pixel stroke size. Position inside. Select black color. Change fill to 0%. Hide background layer. Go to edit, choose define pattern. Set pattern name. Hit OK. Import image. Create a duplicate image by pressing Ctrl J. Go to image, choose adjustments. Select black and white. Hit OK. Make a new layer. Select the paint bucket tool. Paint white color on the layer. Open blending options by double-click on the layer. Choose pattern overlay. Select pattern. Hit OK. Set fill to 0%. Right-click on layer. Select convert to smart object. Adjust the pattern by pressing Ctrl T. Select magic wand tool. Make selections like this. Select the black and white layer. Create a mask with a selection. That's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.